Weltouch Fiber Antibacterial. Titanium dioxide produces oxygen anions and hydroxyl radical when it receives sunlight. A hydroxyl radical decomposes pollutants or germs in the air into carbon dioxide and water, which has a high antibacterial deodorization effect. The formal title of Weltouch's self-actuated photocatalyst Weltouch. As the formal title suggests, Weltouch is designed to continue to exert effects such as antiviral, antibacterial, air purification, and excellent deodorization, regardless of the presence or absence of light. Antibacterial fiber with Weltouch technology. Polyester staple fiber, or PSF for short, is a material made from synthetic chemical compound. As for PSF in natural form, such as cotton and wool, which is commonly designed as thread. Clean and Weltouch Indonesia is a Korean company by applying Weltouch technology to create a new innovation in the form of superior products that are different from similar products because it has functions of removing bacterial, fungus, virus, and odors. Weltouch present antibacterial fiber is coated on polyester staple fiber material, so it has antibacterial, antifungal, antivirus function and able to removing bad smell. This is the process of coating Weltouch on PSF material, so that it can produce various kinds of products with antibacterial, antifungal, antivirus, and anti-odors function. Waterproof, dry fast, and does not absorb water. The material used is more economical than cotton material. It is very safe and does not harm the body, and it also does not cause irritation. Equipped with an anti-odor function that can neutralize odors. 99.9% effective to remove bacteria. Clean and Weltouch Indonesia has gone ATP testing on its products, which contains Weltouch inside, with the aim of proving that products from Clean and Weltouch Indonesia can eliminate bacteria, fungals, viruses, and also odors. ATP is an abbreviation of adenosine triphosphate, which means the molecules of any living organisms such as animals, plants, microorganisms, etc. ATP can indicate the presence of living organisms. Therefore, the amount of ATP are proportional to the number of pollutants, including the presence of bacteria. These two tools are a kit for measuring ATP. UltraSnap is a tool used to take ATP samples on the surface of an item. Furthermore, there is a CleanQ, which is a portable ATP measuring device, which works to detect ATP compounds that produced by living things to get a direct and reliable analysis result. For further clarity, we have conducted a comparison test to remove bacteria using normal wet tissue and Weltouch inside wet tissue. At this time, the test is divided into left and right palms. Each palm was tested with 2 UltraSnaps. The results of the bacteria test on the palm of the left hand were 3,449 bacteria. And test the bacteria on the palm of the right hand, there are 1,198 bacteria present. Both palms are cleaned with each tissue. Normal wet tissue for the right palm and Weltouch inside wet tissue for the left palm. After cleaning, the test is carried out again on both palms. First, an ATP test was performed on the right palm. The test results proved that there were 1,124 bacteria present. Then the next ATP test on the palm of the left hand. The test results proved that there were 33 bacteria present. It is proven that normal wet tissue can only remove a very small number of bacteria, in contrast to Weltouch inside wet tissue, which can remove bacteria drastically. Same with Weltouch inside wet tissue. Weltouch inside fiber also contains Weltouch in it, so it can work as antibacterial. These are the ATP test for Weltouch inside fiber. The test result showed that the number of ATP on the table was high. Then, followed by applying the Weltouch inside fiber on the table surface. The ATP test was conducted again to discover the function of Weltouch inside fiber, which was able to remove bacteria. The result can be clearly seen, that the result of ATP test was decreased significantly. This means that Weltouch inside fiber worked well and was able to remove bacteria. The second test was performed from Weltouch inside felt product. After taking the ATP sample on the table, the test result showed a high number of ATP on the table surface. Next, Weltouch inside felt was applied by coating and rubbing the table surface evenly. The ATP test was conducted again and got the low result. It means that the number of ATP was small after the application of Weltouch inside felt. Summary of the overall tests conclude that the products that contain Weltouch inside are very capable to remove the ATP or microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungals, or the odor of particles that existed on some items. All living cared by Weltouch.